Hello there and welcome to this tutorial. I am going to be creating the impressionistic landscape springtime with a couple of fun techniques. And this really is a quick painting, more or less, and it has a couple different techniques combined in it. So I'm going to go through what I'm going to work with. Obviously my titanium white, always have that around. I'm using a very light yellow. This is just a lemony yellow color. That's a cadmium yellow. I'm using a light blue. I'm using a cerulean blue. And I'm using a light green, like just a spring green. So you can mix your own colors. You can use, exactly what I'm using. Palette, we're going to use a palette knife for this, and we're going to